Hey everyone, and thanks for hopping back into Grassroots DeFi. Today, we will be going over the play-to-earn game Cryptoblades, a complete beginner's guide on how you can earn $750 a week or more. If you guys like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and check out the links for getting started on everything that we cover in this video in the description below. Let's go ahead and get hopping. What I want to do is take a look at the skill price. We'll see that starting around the 4th of July, we started to trend sideways and then move up logarithmically before entering this accumulation zone between the 24th and today. This was a pretty massive increase in price over the course of, say, 2 weeks, from $1 to $150. That looks like about a 150x. AXS, the Axie Infinity Token, which is also a play-to-earn game, has seen a similarly impressive move from beneath 18 cents back in November of 2020 and now topping out above $40 just 2 days ago before capitulating just a tad. Now, the point of comparing these two is that they're both play-to-earn games, and even though we had this accumulation phase over here for Axie, it still had the potential, after trending sideways and consolidating, to break out of that trend and go even higher. And I contend that skill for Cryptoblades will be able to make a similar move at some point after this accumulation zone. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. So where do we start with crypto games? Well, a crypto game is a decentralized app, or a dApp. These dApps run on-chain on the Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain networks. To access dApps, the Metamask extension for Chrome and Brave is your home base. You can keep your BNB and your skill here. It will secure assets like NFTs, tokens, or BNB. NFTs, think of them as a card, like a trading card, that can hold some data. And make sure, if you haven't already done so, to download the Metamask extension for Chrome or Brave, please. We're going to need that in just a little while. So, I know NFTs are really confusing, so I wanted to create this slide for anybody who needs just a boost. Recall the Hearthstone game? It's not a crypto game, but you do have cards, and you're able to battle other players. Axie Infinity also uses cards. They give you a Pokemon card, basically, where it has a cute, like, little monster on there. You can battle, and you purchase these with ETH on a market. Cryptoblades is the top BSC game and gaming dApp on the BSC network as of 2 days ago. So you're going to acquire a character and a weapon, and you'll just battle and earn. For every battle, you'll earn $5 or more, and you can complete a lot of battles in one day. Here's a character card, and here's an associated sword. And you'll notice I highlighted the base elements of the character and the sword to show you how, to get a bonus, you're going to match those two icons. So to prepare for battle, we must prepare for battle. To battle, we must pay the transaction fee. All transactions on decentralized networks cost gas. Gas on the Binance Smart Chain is called BNB. That's the Binance coin. You can get that from Binance US for all of us Americans, and Binance.com if you're an international. You're going to have to add the Binance Smart Chain network to your local instance of Metamask. I'll include a link to how you can do that in the description. And just to make sure everybody knows, you own the same Ethereum addresses on both the Ethereum network and the Binance Smart Chain network. So you're going to transfer your BNB to your address and then buy at least one skill from PancakeSwap. I'll also link that in the description. So once you get to app.cryptoblades.io, it's going to look something like this. After you connect your wallet, up in the top corner, you'll see that there's a sign-up bonus of one skill after you recruit your first character. So you click the recruit character button since we're assuming we already have skill. You're going to see a notification like this, and you're going to see an additional notification where you'll confirm that you're spending that skill. So there's going to be two notifications: an approval, confirm, and then a spend, confirm. Off the train and come over and do a little example. So this is my Cryptoblades and test account. I have one character here. You can see he's of type water. And I'm just going to do a quick battle here so we can go over to combat. And you can see I have a sword that has a water base element, which matches my water. So I'm going to click that. Take a moment to notice the percentages here. The higher those percentages are when you hover over it, the better that sword is for this particular character. So you select your sword, and then you'll select your fight. So since I'm playing a water character, I know that I will do well against fire. So I'm going to choose this firefight over here and hope I win. It's popped up a notification for me to confirm that I want to fight. And we're going to wait for the fight results. Hopefully, we win. Thankfully, if we win or if we don't, the only cost for playing is the gas price, which is circa 10 cents on the Binance Smart Chain right now. And it looks like that we just earned 0.44 skill, which if we did the quick math, it would be 0.044 times 150 right now. So it's about $6 for pressing a quick button. Pretty good deal. All right, let's jump back in. So here are your starting possibilities. I know this is a lot of data, but bear with me. You're going to need at least 0.1 BNB or 0.1 skill. But here you see I've mapped out the possibilities. So with one skill token, at the time of writing, that would cost $125. You can earn around 15 per day. That's assuming that you win 6 out of 7 of your fights. And then it'll take about 8 days until you're back in profit range and then earning profit every day. So if you get 4 characters starting out, all level 1, that will cost you about 3 skill at the time of writing, which would be around $400 USD. You're going to clear your initial input after just 6 days. And so this one seems like a really good deal as far as going ahead and getting started with daily income with only a $375 price tag. Now I know some of you are saying, now Thomas, that seems really high. And it is. But in comparison to Axie Infinity and some of the other crypto games, this entrance fee is quite reasonable. So just consider that you could be earning $4,000 a month or more without having to pay any upstart cost every month. And that's not to mention the possibility of potential upside if skill decides to do another 10x, because skill is what you are earning. So that's just something for consideration. And some success strategies. So you want to match your character element with your weapon element. That will give you the alignment advantage. you want the type advantage as well. As in our example earlier, water is effective against fire. So we got the alignment advantage and the combat advantage. We talked about that percentage on a sword. There will be a percentage. It represents the combat advantage for the character sword combo. One thing you can do to save yourself a little bit of money is to buy one really good weapon. And instead of buying different characters, buy them all of the same element. So you can have one super great sword and 4 characters of the same element. And then you can be earning all the time for the least amount of input. If you guys like the content, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and check out the links in the description below for getting started on everything that we covered today. Thank you guys for tuning in to my very first episode ever. Go ahead and tag the bell icon if you would on your way out, and I'll see you next time. And peace favor your sword.